Hello viewers, today we are talk about Arthur Hacker. 1858 to 1990 was an English painter known for his diverse artistic style, covering various genres like portraiture, landscapes, and historical subjects. He was born in London, where he developed a passion for art at an early age. His father was a line engraver, which gave Hacker early exposure to the world of art and design. Hackers began his formal training at the Royal Academy Schools in London, one of the most prestigious art institutions of the time. After his studies, he traveled to Paris, where he was influenced by the works of contemporary French painters, particularly those associated with the academic and symbolist movements. This influence can be seen in his attention to detail, dramatic lighting, and focus on narrative in his early paintings. In the early phase of his career, Hacker became known for painting historical and biblical scenes, often marked by their emotional intensity and meticulous detail. One of his early successes was the Annunciation, a painting inspired by a biblical story that through his big recognition in the art world. His work was regularly exhibited at the Royal Academy, where he became a respected figure among his peers. As Hacker's career progressed, he expanded his focus to include portraiture and genre painting. His portraits of society figures, especially women, become popular of their elegance and sensitivity. He often painted his subjects his stylish following gowns against soft, dreamy backgrounds, creating delicate atmosphere. This phase of his work appealed to the upper class of Victorian and Edwardian England. By the late 19th and early 20th century, Hacker's style became more diverse and the experimented with different techniques and themes. His paintings took on a more modern impressionistic touch, reflecting changes in the art world as a whole. One of his most famous works during his time was Plagia and Flamoun 1887, which showcases his ability to combine classical themes with a more contemporary approach. In addition to painting, Hackers also worked as a teacher, sharing his knowledge and helping to shape the next generation of British artists. His influence extended beyond his work as he was an active member of the British art community. In 1910, he was elected a full member of the Royal Academy, one of the highest honors an artist in Britain could achieve. Arthur Akers continued to paint throughout his life. contributing to exhibition and enjoying steady demand for his work. He died in London in 1990 at the age of 61. Today, his paintings can be found in several major art galleries and museums, including the Ted Burton and the Royal Academy. Though not as widely known today, Hacker's work remains an important part of British art history, showcasing a transition between the Victorian era and the modern movement that will follow. His versatility and skill in capturing both historical grandeur and modern beauty ensure that his work continues to be appreciated by the lovers and historians alike. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my video.